In this video, we're going to talk about addressing the trombone for the first time, opening the case, assembly, and some basic maintenance you may or may not need to do. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at the case. Now, it's very important that when we take a look at our trombone case, that we do not open it upside down. Every trombone case is built a little bit different. It's important that you learn how your case works so you don't cause any accidental damage to your instrument. First, let's lay our case on a flat surface. Try to identify where the bottom of the case is. Again, every case manufacturer may be different, but I have noticed more times than not where the handle is where the bottom half of the case is. So I always try to find the half that has the handle on it and put it on the ground. Okay? Next, undo any latches. Sometimes there may be latches on the side. And then simply, carefully open up your case. As you notice, for the trombone, since it is a rather large and long instrument, there are pieces to the instrument that are on the bottom side of the case and on the top side of the case. So again, it's very important that we do not open this upside down because it can cause the bell to fall out. So taking a look, we have the bell on the bottom half, we have the hand slide on the top half, and this particular case has a little room for some accessories. Okay. Let's start by taking out the bell. Simply take out the bell, and then very carefully take out the hand slide. Now, as you can see, this case has little kind of flaps there to make sure that the hand slide stays in place as you open and close the case. So it's important that when you put the hand slide back in the case, that you turn these back so they doesn't cause the hand slide to fall out. Let's move. Let's talk about some general maintenance and care that you may or may not need to do with your trombone as we start to practice. If you ever notice that your instrument is producing a gargling sound, that means that condensation has built in the instrument. It's just a small amount of water that's created by the warm air that your body produces and the cold metal of the trombone. If that's the case, what you need to do is locate the water key, which is at the very end of the slide. Okay? Once you locate that, simply push down on the water key and then blow some air through your instrument to get rid of whatever condensation you may have. Okay? So simply reach down to the water key and blow some air through it. Other times, as you play, you may notice that your slide may feel like it's not moving as freely as it used to. That can be caused by some small amount of grime and dirt buildup that is on the slide, and it inhibits the slide from moving freely. All you need to do, if that's the case, is just spray a tiny bit of water onto the slide, and that will get it going again. See? Now, one thing you do not want to do, and it is a common mistake that I've seen, is some students will put some trumpet or euphonium valve oil onto the slide. That can cause the slide to stick even more, as it's not made to be put on trombones. So just simply have a small spray bottle of water and then just spray it on. Okay?